Dear students, today we will discuss about the graphical interpretation of limit. To understand that, we will solve one question. I have already written that question. Let us read it. Find limit fx as x tends to 3 from the left and limit fx as x tends to 3 from the right. And to find these left hand limit and right hand limit, we have been given a graph. Using this graph of the function fx, we have to find the left hand limit and the right hand limit at 3. Let us try to answer this question. First, let us observe the graph properly. The first thing we have to see is at what point we are testing the limit. So we are testing the limit at 3. We have to see what is happening at the left side of 3 and what is happening at the right side of 3. If we move towards 3 from the left side, where fx will approach, we have to see as x moves towards 3 from the right side, where the value of fx will approach. And using these ideas, we will try to write the values of the left hand limit and the right hand limit. This is the point x equal to 3. If you observe the graph at 3, the value of the function is given by this dark dot, and you can say that if x is equal to 3, the value of fx will be equal to 2. You may get confused that at x equal to 3, the value of the function may be given by this point. That is, the value of fx may be 3. But this is not the case. We will remember that the value of the function at some point will be given by this dark dot, not by this small circle. The value will be given by the dark dot. Now let us come to limit. I will tell you an easy method to see the movement of the function. Whatever point you are testing, in this case we are testing at 3. Just draw a perforated line here. Like this, just rough. And now we will see what is happening at the left side and what is happening at the right side. As we are moving towards 3 from the left side, we can see that the function fx is moving towards this point, and at this point the value of the function fx is 2, and hence we can say that as x tends to 3 from the left side, the value of the function fx moves towards 2, and we will write limit of the function fx as x tends to 3 from the left will be equal to 2. Now let us find the right hand limit. When we are finding the right hand limit, we will observe what is happening at the right side. So if we are moving towards 3 from the right side, we can see that the function is moving towards this point, and at this point the value of the function is 3. So we can say that as we move towards 3 from the right side, the value of the function is moving towards 3, and hence we can write the answer that limit of the function fx as x tends to 3 from the right side is equal to 3. And if you see, the left hand limit, that is 2, is not equal to the right hand limit, that is 3. We will write left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. This implies that limit does not exist. And one more thing I would like to highlight once more, that whenever we are dealing with questions on limits, we are not interested in the value of the function at that point. We are only interested in what is happening at the left side and what is happening at the right side. Like in this question, at 3, the value is 2. We are not bothered about it. We are not interested about it. The function may be defined at 3 or may not be defined at 3. Doesn't matter. What matters is that what is happening at the left side and what is happening at the right side. We are not interested in what is happening at that point.